usually to get, say, 10 years of driving experience. I mean, the real kind, dodging crazy drivers and navigating chaotic traffic. You have to actually spend 10 years on the road.
Risking it all every day.
Exactly. But today, we're going to dive into how you can get that hard-earned road wisdom without ever leaving your couch.
It sounds a bit like a cheat code, doesn't it? But we're talking about the street survival approach to video analysis. The whole mission is to see how watching real-life driving passively can translate into active safety.
Right. Turning your downtime into a defensive driving masterclass. And before anyone pictures just, binge-watching Dashcam compilations for fun, let's be super clear. This is training.
It is. The core concept here is something they call imprinting.
It sounds a little sci-fi, but it's really just advanced pattern recognition, isn't it?
That's all it is. And the psychology behind it is fascinating. When you watch real-life trips, and I mean real footage, not simulations, your brain it catalogs these dangerous situations.
And the source material they use is, well, it's kind of perfect for this.
Oh, yeah. Using South Africa as a case study is brilliant. You've got this mix of first world roads and third world traffic chaos.
So you get everything. High speeds, bad roads, aggressive drivers.
Yeah.
All in one place. If you can learn to anticipate a hazard there, your regular commute starts to feel like it's in slow motion.
That's the key word right there. Anticipation. Let's make this concrete. Think about the classic left turn creep.
Okay.
You're watching a video, you see a car waiting to turn across traffic. Its wheels aren't straight, they're already angled into the lane, the driver is inching forward.
And in the video, that car pulls out, causes a near miss or worse. But then the imprinting kicks in. 2 weeks later, you're driving your own car. You see that same little nose inching out.
Exactly. You don't have to consciously think, what's that car doing? Your brain has seen the pattern. Your foot is already moving towards the brake.
You've skipped the processing phase.
You skip the processing phase. In a real emergency, you don't have time to analyze. By imprinting these scenarios, you're banking reaction time. It's not a new threat. It's a known pattern.
And that split second can be the difference between a scare and a serious collision.
It's everything.
So it's like having an advanced driving instructor sitting right there with you.
Yeah.
But to get that benefit, you can't just have it playing in the background.
No, absolutely not. You have to treat the YouTube interface like a forensic tool. That's a crucial distinction. The Street Survival Hub is not for passive entertainment.
The value is in the commentary, right? The narrator explaining why a move was made.
Yes. The narration is key. And also how you use the playback tools.
Okay, let's get into that.
Right.
We all know you can skip around, but for this, the frame-by-frame keys are what matter.
The comma and period keys. Stepping back and forward one frame at a time, most people never touch them.
But for this, it's a game changer.
It is. An incident happens in milliseconds. With the comma key, you can scrub back through it and see the exact moment a driver looked away, or the tiny dip of the car's nose that shows they slammed on the brakes.
You're basically doing a postmortem on a crash you didn't have to be in, and then you have the J and L keys to jump 10 seconds back or forward.
Which gives you the context. It's not just about the moment of impact, it's about the 5 seconds before where all the clues were hiding.
And it's not all just bad drivers and crashes either.
No, and I'm glad you brought that up. They have a consideration category.
I think that's such an underrated part of it. It shows positive examples.
Yeah.
Someone letting another car merge, a driver creating a safe space.
We spend so much time analyzing what not to do, we forget to study what good driving actually looks like. It gives you a balanced view.
Yeah. But there's one more layer to this that I find really compelling. It's how your personal learning connects to the bigger picture, the algorithm.
Right. It sort of reframes how you interact with YouTube.
This is the herd immunity idea for the road, isn't it? It's not smash that like button for the creator. It's doing it to train the system.
Exactly that. When you like or share or just watch a safety video to the end, you're sending a signal. You're telling the platform, hey, this content is valuable.
And the algorithm listens. It doesn't know what a car crash is, but it knows engagement.
So it starts recommending that video, those defensive driving tips, to more drivers. Your engagement literally helps distribute safety information.
Wow. So you could boost a video that teaches an evasion technique, and the system might feed it to a brand new driver halfway across the world.
And that knowledge might just prevent an accident. It creates this amazing positive feedback loop.
Okay, so let's just recap. We're talking about high-level training, with absolutely zero physical risk, and you can do it all at your own pace.
Freeze-framing reality to learn from other people's mistakes.
If you want to check this out and see how to use those tools we mentioned, the place to go is streetsurvival.info YouTube.
It's a resource that's, well, it's just really worth your time. The depth of analysis is incredible.
So I'll just leave you with this to think about. If watching a 5-minute video today saves you 2 seconds of reaction time tomorrow, isn't that the best investment you can possibly make?
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.